And it's a forecast that has a cold front moving in as early as the next couple of hours. It's barely to our north right now. It'll slide through, maybe even triggering another stray shower, but basically it's going to lower the temperatures and lower humidity, and it wasn't all that bad today. Right now we can see a long distance there as we look from sky view, so certainly no rain reducing visibility, no fog, nothing like that. We had a shower. Actually, I'm going to put this in motion for you, just a remnant of it right now off to the east there of Chincoteague and Melfa, basically Accomack County. You can see it affected portions of the northern neck, never quite made it down to the middle peninsula, and then slid off to the east. We had told you earlier during the 4 to 6:30 broadcast that the northern areas were the most likely to see something, that we can't rule out something here even a little bit later. You can see still out there near Lynchburg, shower moving in our direction, but the odds are pretty darn low. Right now, temperature 75 degrees. The winds, though, still out ahead of the front from the west-southwest. That's why the humidity is still up a bit. That dew point at 58. It'll be even lower tomorrow. Today, it was in the mid-50s most of the day, which is pleasant. You get over 60, it's a little bit sticky, and then uncomfortable is about 65. Tomorrow, we're not even going to be 55. We will be below that. So the dew point already is not bad, and it's even going to get better, meaning a dry air mass. Tonight, 66 for the overnight low. Still an isolated shower, especially in some northern areas. Otherwise, the wind's becoming northeast as that front goes through. You can see how we still have the southwest winds ahead of it, but very quickly we get the northwest winds moving in by 5 o'clock, and by then the front is down into North Carolina. Maybe a 10% chance of a stray shower tomorrow, especially early. I think this afternoon stuff is overdone, although maybe down across the Outer Banks, you have a little bit better shot at that closer to the front. Around here, just very comfortable temperatures. Tomorrow evening, it's almost going to be cool. We're talking readings down into the 50s for the inland areas. Overnight lows generally still lower 60s right near the coastline. And then another day with highs only in the mid 70s coming up then for Thursday. So a couple of days with some pretty comfortable conditions. You can see that front slipping through, moving off to the south, and then continuing to stay south for another few days. So here's that front to the north, gradually getting closer and closer with some of those isolated showers still expected. So there we go, 66 for the low tonight. An isolated shower still possible, but not likely for most of us. Tomorrow, 10% chance of a stray shower, especially early or pretty much any time through at least early afternoon in North Carolina. Then 75 on Thursday, 81, a little warmer Friday. The weekend heats up, and not much of a rain chance Saturday. A few areas, but not most of us, and then a little bit more rain potentially late Sunday.
All right.
Good enough.
Okay.
Thank you, Jeff.